Hello, I'm Ganeshkumar, professor in chemistry. Now, today we discuss about the introduction for electrochemistry. So, what is an electrochemistry? So, electrochemistry is truly a multidisciplinary science which can be applied to a variety of fields. It contains a physical, chemical, and biological sciences. It's as well as an industrial domain, not only a subject purely based on the theoretical aspect. It is based on the physiochemical phenomena taking place whenever electrical and chemical exchange intervene in the reactive state, which means it contains both electrical and chemical energy. So most of the time, electrochemical investigation system in which we call the electron flows, we generally mean that electron flowing is electrochemistry. And as well as the electrochemical generators, such as batteries, which has a numerous application today in car, telephones, mobile, and whatever the means we use all the electrical equipments. So if from this point of view, we can also suggest that a typical corrosion process is an electrochemical one. It is a metallic piece freely exposed to a given aggressive environment. And there is a bit of a marginal sense that overall current flows which observe the system is zero. The system spontaneously evolves and is said to be rest or an open circuit. To say in a simple word, a corrosion is an electrochemistry and it's an electrochemical process. Electrochemistry is a study of the production of electricity from the energy released during the spontaneous chemical reaction. And also it is a use of electrical energy to bring about a non-spontaneous chemical transformations. In simple words, it is a chemical energy which produces electrical current and an electrical current which brings a change in a chemical composition. This subject is theoretical as well as highly practical. A large number of metals, sodium hydroxide, chlorine, fluorine, and many other chemicals, they are produced by electrochemical methods. And also, in a practical application, you see, even in biomedical aspect, the transmission of a sensory signals through the cells to brain and vice versa, and communication between the cells and the brain is nothing but an electrochemical origin. So electrochemistry is a wide interdisciplinary subject. So put in a simple definition, electrochemistry is a subdiscipline of a chemistry that deals with the study of relationship between electrical energy and chemical changes. The chemical reactions that involves input and the generation of electrical currents are called electrochemical reactions. The electrochemical reactions, there are two types. One is the production of chemical change by electrical energy, the phenomenon of electrolysis. It is called as electrolysis. That is, the chemical change is being brought out by applying an electrical energy. This is very simple. As a battery, we know the chemical reaction is taking place and we get electrical energy. Then the conversion of chemical energy into an electrical energy. It's an example for battery just now I said. The generation of electricity by spontaneous redox reactions. A redox reaction is the one which undergoes an oxidation and reduction simultaneously. And based on this, we can classify the electrochemical cells into two. We call one as electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. An electrochemical cell is one which converts chemical energy to electrical energy. An electrolytic cell which converts electrical energy to chemical energy. In electrochemical cell, the cathode is positive and the anode is negative. And the electrolytic cell, the cathode is negative and the anode is positive. In electrochemical cell, the spontaneous reaction occurs. That is, when we take a chemical reaction, it automatically produces electrical energy. In electrolytic cell, there is a non-spontaneous reaction since we have to supply electrical current to the reaction takes place. In an electrochemical cell, half cells are placed in different containers and it is connected to with a salt bridge. But here, the electrodes are placed in a similar container and placed in an electrolytic solution. So the simple definition for this electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. So in this session, we discussed what is the basis for electrochemistry and what is the definition for electrochemistry and what are the two types of reactions involved in the electrochemistry and what are the two different cells which we use here. This is an example diagrammatic representation for electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. Here, electrolytic cell, non-spontaneous reaction, generate electricity, and the galvanic cell, spontaneous reactions produces. Thank you.